Hello, my name is Hugh. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show how to cook green bean casserole. The first recipe I'm going to show is how to make green bean casserole from scratch.
Preheat your oven at 375 degrees, as you can see, and put your casserole inside the oven and wait for 20 to 22 minutes. After 20 to 22 minutes, you can take it out, and the crust on the top should be golden brown and everything should be bubbling, as you can see. Now you can see the green bean casserole is ready, and the cheese, especially the mixture of cheddar cheese and the Italian blend, form a very nice crust, and the panko also give like a not too brown color. As you can see, our dish is finished.